Hello, first graders. Miss Jen is back with our math lesson. Okay, so yesterday you guys took a test for chapter 14, and today we are going to move on to the next chapter. And in this chapter, we'll be talking mostly about shapes. Yeah, and today we'll be talking about flat and curved surfaces. So I have prepared some pictures of objects, and as you can see on the first row, we have Rubik cubes and a pair of dice and a brick and a pyramid. And if you look at all of these objects, they are all made with flat surface. So flat means you see how here there's no curve, right? There's no rounded side. So it's just flat, 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 and pyramid as well. It is made with flat surfaces. Yeah, surface, it just means the outer part here. So it's all flat objects. Okay. And if you look at this half of watermelon, this object has both flat and curve. Yes, so it's like over here, this side, the red side is flat, right? But over here, the outer part of the watermelon is curved. Yeah, so this one has both flat and curved surfaces. And this too, on like the on one side of pizza is just flat, right? But the shape, the outer part of the pizza is curved. Yeah, it's not square or a rectangle, it's circle, so curved and flat. Also, the soda can, on top of the soda can is flat, yeah, as well as the bottom part. But over here, this is all curved. So this one also has both flat and curved surfaces. And sometimes we find some objects that has no flat surface. Excuse me. Such as this ball over here and banana and football. So they do not have flat surfaces at all. They only have curved, curved, curved surfaces. Yeah. So let's solve some questions about flat and curved surfaces in our book. All right. So flat and curved surfaces. Number one, you guys will have to circle each figure that has at least one flat surface. At least one flat surface. Okay. So number one, does it have flat surface? Yes. Go ahead and circle. And number two, we'll talk about this shape tomorrow, but it's called sphere. Sphere. And spheres do not have flat surface at all. It only has curved surfaces. So don't circle this one. And what about this one? Yes, it has flat surface. And this one over here? Yes, it does have flat surface over here, but has curved surface as well. But the question asked you to circle the figure that has at least one flat surface. So yes, go ahead and circle this one. Excuse me. And number two, you're going to circle each figure that has at least one curved surface. Now you're going to circle the figure that has at least one curved surface. And does this one have curved surface? Nope. Does this one have curved surface? Yes. Go ahead and circle. What about this one? No curved surface. And over here, yes, it does have curved surface. Go ahead and circle this one. All right. And now we are going to mark each kind of surface the object has. So some of the objects will have only flat surfaces. Some of them will have only curved surfaces, and some of them will have both flat and curved surfaces. Okay, so let's see. Number 3, does this one have flat surface? Yes. Fill in the bubble. Does this one have curved surface? Yes. So go ahead and fill in both of these two. And number 4, does this have flat surface? Nope. Curved surface? Yes. So we're only going to fill in this bubble for curved. Number 5, what about this one? Does this have flat surfaces? Yes, it sure does. Fill in this bubble. What about curved surfaces? Nope, none at all. So don't fill in the bubble here. Okay, so that's number 3 for 5. And now from number 6 through 9, can these figures be stacked this way? Circle yes or no. Stack them up. It means to put one thing on top of another thing. Yeah, stack your books, stack your building blocks. Let's see if these figures can be stacked this way. Number 6. Oh no, can you have an object that only has curved surfaces at the bottom to stack them up? Can it stand? Not really, right? So nope. It's very unstable to have curved object or curved figure at the bottom. Number 7. Can you stack this way? Yeah, it looks stable. It looks okay. Number 8, what about this one? Can you stack it up this way? Yes, sure you can. Number 9, what about this one? Can you stack it up this way? Well, you could, but the sphere is going to fall off anytime soon, right? So not really. Nope. Okay, when you're done with the first page, let's move on to the second page. We are going to circle the object to match the clue. Let's read the clues together. Number 1, Bob pointed to an object with only flat surfaces. So which object is Bob pointing to? Only flat surfaces. Ding, 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 the box, right? The drum has both curved and flat. This bowling ball has only curved surfaces. And this cone has flat and curved. It's the box that has only flat surfaces. So go ahead and circle this one. Let's read the second clue. Jen pointed to an object with both flat and curved surfaces. With both flat and curved. That's our clue. Let's find an object that has both flat and curved. Which one? Yes, the container, right? The small container that says soup. And this one has flat and curved. This one only has flat surfaces. Tomato has only curved surfaces. All right, number 3. Next we have this object rolled across Suki's desk. Which one of these objects can roll across Suki's desk? For an object to roll across, it should only have what? Yeah, curved surfaces. Otherwise, it cannot roll with flat surfaces, right? Can this roll? Nope, because it only has flat surfaces. What about the notebook? Can notebook roll across the desk? No. What about the glue stick? Yes, it can definitely roll across the desk, and this is what's happening in first grade classroom too. Our pencils and glue sticks, they always roll off the desk, right? So by the end of the day, we can find like 10 or even 15 pencils and glue sticks on the floor, right? Remember, first graders? So yeah, the reason why the glue sticks and the pencils roll off the desk is because they have curved surfaces. And number 4, circle the picture of the stacked figures. The figures that are stacked. So Miss Jin just talked about what stack was. Stacking up. Stacking is to put one object on top of another object. Okay? Which one is the stacked figure? This is not stacked at all, right? Is this stacked nicely? No, it cannot be stacked like this. Yes, this one, right? Can be stacked. And it looks very safe. So go ahead and circle the last one. This is the stacked figure. And number 5 is for you guys to review non-3D shapes question. So 2D shapes. So color the shapes to match the key. You guys have keys over here. And if it's circle, go ahead and color with red crayon. If it's if it's square, blue color. If it's a triangle, green, rectangle, orange. Okay, go ahead and color the shapes to match the key. Okay, when you're done with number 5, then it will be all for these 2 pages. And the math reviews pages, you will have 2 more pages to work on about flat and curved surfaces. I would like for you to try on your own because we just did these 2 pages together. And so go ahead and try them on your own. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, first graders. Bye now.